What's the meaning of curiously? Curiously. Curiously.
Curiously. Curiously. Curiously is an adverb that describes an action or attitude of being inquisitive or eager to know or learn something. It can also denote an unexpected or unusual quality about something. For example, if someone looks at a painting curiously, it means they are examining it with interest or questioning its meaning. When used to describe a situation, it can imply a surprising or strange nature. Overall, curiously connotes an attitude of seeking knowledge and an openness to the unfamiliar.